Marfan Syndrome. Introduction. When a child is born with a defective FBN1 gene, all of the children in the family will inherit it. Select true or false. Correct. Having a child with a defective FBN1 gene does not mean that all children born into the family will inherit it. Marfan syndrome often affects which of the following? Choose one of the following options. 1. Eyes. 2. Heart. 3. Skin. 4. All of the above. Correct. Many parts of the body are affected by Marfan syndrome. Marfan syndrome can also affect physical appearance and the connective tissue around the brain and spinal cord. Less often, it can cause problems with the lungs. Treatments can help delay or prevent complications linked to Marfan syndrome. Select true or false. Correct. There is no cure for Marfan syndrome. Marfan syndrome can affect many parts of the body, including the heart, bones and joints, eyes, nervous system, and lungs. Treatment depends on a person's symptoms. Thank you for using Explain.